Okay, so today we are going to inscribe a circle inside of our triangle. Okay, so we want the circle inside of the triangle. Alright, so what you need to do is we have to find a point inside of our triangle that we can use as the center for our circle. We want to barely touch each of the edges of the triangle and get that center inside of our circle. We can kind of like guess, but it's not going to be accurate. So what we're going to do is we are going to bisect. So the first thing you do is you put your bullseye on one corner of your triangle, and you want to make sure that it's right in the corner as best as you can, and you are going to make an arc off of that triangle, that corner. So basically what you're doing is you're creating an equal distant line segment. So from here to here is the same distance as from here to here. If we were kind of measuring using our eyes, we wouldn't get it as close. Anyways, so now what we're going to do is we're going to bisect. So your bullseye needs to be on that intersection of the triangle, the arc that you just drew, as close as you can to being like right in the center. And then you want your slide window to just be barely inside of your triangle. You're going to make one really large arc. Then you're going to not move your slide, and you're going to move your bullseye to the opposite side of your triangle. And you're going to make another very large arc. Where these two arcs cross, that is the center of your angle. So you bisected this angle. You cut that angle in half. You could do this for all three angles, but we're just going to do it for two. So we're going to pick the one opposite of it. Okay, so we start the same exact way. We put our bullseye at the end. I'm going to look for a spot where I can't really see any other marks. Oh, up here. Let's go up here. I want to be able to see the sides of my triangle very clearly. So, there we go. Oh no! It didn't write. Okay. There. What is going on? This is bananas. Okay. Then I'm going to bisect this arc that we just drew. So I want to put my bullseye on one side, and then I want to move my arc, or my slide window, inside of my triangle. Make one very large arc, and then go to the opposite side. You have to be careful because we're getting lots of lines. And you're going to do the same thing. Make another very large arc, like that. Okay, and then we're going to put our pencil on one of our intersections, and then we are going to draw our bisecting angle. Okay, now where the two lines cross is right here, so that's going to be the center of my circle. So I'm going to put my bullseye there, as straight as you can. You are going to put your slide window on the side, like you want to be able to see the side of your triangle. After that, you are going to draw a circle. Oh, heavens! We are struggling. Okay. Ooh! It shifted just a little because when I drew, look, this line isn't quite in the center and that line isn't quite in the center because my pencil moved my angle. Anyways, that's what it's supposed to look like. I have my circle inscribed in a triangle. So here, we'll do this one. So I'm just going to pick two angles across from each other. I'm going to be very careful this time. Put my cute little bullseye right in the corner. Make my arc. Alright. Then we're going to bisect the arc inside the triangle, nice and tight. Not too tight, we don't want to break these things. One arc. Wow, seriously. And then I like to turn my paper. Oops, what am I doing? Okay, like that. Make the second very large arc. Okay, and then bisect. Looks like it's like right there. That looks pretty good. Uh-oh. Does not look pretty good. Is it that? Oh, there we go. Oh, it's perfect! Look at that! Okay, so now we're going to do it again. On the opposite side, this guy. I just wanted to spin my paper around. Okay, so put him on the edge. It's really hard to see. There's a glare. Okay, and then I'm gonna draw my arc. That's where I get into trouble. Go, pencil! Okay, we did it. Then we're gonna bisect this arc. So your bullseye on one side, inside of the triangle, big arc all the way around. Then I'm gonna turn my paper. Now, it's kind of confusing, but this was the arc that I made to break up that line, or the angle, I guess. So he goes here. And then my second really large arc. Can do it! Alright, he goes here, and then we line everything up. I think that's good. Heavens, let's see. Ooh, it looks so good! Okay, so here's my intersection right there. And then we're going to need to draw our circle. So we put our bullseye on our intersection, and then we want to put the slide window over the line of the triangle, and then draw your circle. Oh, this one came out so perfect! Okay, so if you look here, this is a circle inscribed a triangle. It's barely touching every single edge of your triangle, and it is the biggest possible circle it could be. There's no overlap, and there is no extra space. Here's a better view of it. Okay, let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day. Enjoy. Bye.